In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Shopify's theme options, both free and paid, to enhance your online store's look and functionality. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, understanding these themes is crucial for creating a store that reflects your brand and engages your customers. Let's begin by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. You should see this as your home base for managing everything in your store. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, try to spot the Online Store option on the left-hand side of the navigation panel. Give that a click. Once you've made it into the Online Store section, this is where the magic happens. You'll notice several options here, but the one we're interested in today is the Visit Theme Store link. Clicking on this link opens up a world of possibilities for your store's design. Now that you're in the theme store, it's time to dive into your options. On the theme store page, you'll see that themes are a critical element in defining how your store looks and operates. The real question is, should you go for a free theme or a paid one? Let me walk you through the differences. Start by taking a look at the free themes. To do this, simply click on the Free tab. Free themes are perfect if you're on a budget or just want to test the waters. They offer basic functionality and design, which can be customized to an extent. These themes are great for small businesses or beginners, although they might not offer as many advanced features as paid ones. Now let's explore the paid themes. Click on the Paid tab right next to where you found the free themes. Paid themes can be a game changer for your brand. They usually come with a wider variety of features and customization options, which can really help your store stand out and provide a more tailored shopping experience for your customers. As you browse, consider your store's needs and budget. Paid themes often provide additional support and robust design elements that can enhance the user experience, but they come at a cost. Think about your long-term goals and whether an upfront investment in a paid theme might be your best move towards achieving them. Understanding the differences between free and paid Shopify themes is an essential step in creating a successful online store. Free themes are uncomplicated and get you started with little to no cost, whereas paid themes offer advanced features and flexibility at a premium. Empower your decision by assessing what reflects your brand's personality while meeting your business objectives. Whichever route you choose, remember that your store's theme plays a significant role in how your customers perceive and interact with your brand. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Shopify adventure.